Did you know that some of the world's wealthiest people are spending millions on home renovations? Imagine turning a regular house into a luxury compound, or transforming a historic building into a modern masterpiece, all while breaking records with shocking price tags. What could they possibly be doing to justify such extravagant costs? In today's video, we'll show you 5 of the most jaw-dropping home renovations that shock the world. These projects are about more than just style. They're about luxury, security, and legacy. Let's dive in. 1. Mark Zuckerberg's Ko'olau Ranch expansion. Starting with Mark Zuckerberg's Ko'olau Ranch, this $100 million plus renovation in Kauai, Hawaii, has been a massive project that's been years in the making. Originally a sprawling 2,300-acre estate, Zuckerberg's vision for this property goes far beyond just luxury living. The renovations include an underground network of tunnels, designed not just for privacy, but also for security, giving the estate an almost fortified feel. These tunnels connect different areas of the estate, ensuring that Zuckerberg and his family are always within reach of safe, secure locations. What sets this renovation apart is the focus on sustainability. With self-sufficient energy systems and the addition of a 5,000-square-foot underground bunker, the property has been transformed into a self-contained compound that can withstand virtually anything. The bunker, complete with blast doors and living quarters, gives the estate an added layer of protection, making it a true safe haven for the family. Zuckerberg's commitment to creating a self-sustaining compound reflects his focus on long-term security and sustainability. This isn't just about luxury. It's about ensuring his family's well-being for the long haul. The property now runs on solar energy, water recycling systems, and even a private water source, making it one of the most sustainable estates in the world. The level of innovation in the renovation ensures that this home is not just a place to live, but a testament to what modern, tech-driven living can look like. As one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Zuckerberg is setting a new standard for how tech billionaires can design their personal sanctuaries, blending luxury and environmental responsibility. 2. The White House East Wing Ballroom. Next, we have one of the most historic and significant renovations of the decade, the $250 million renovation of the White House East Wing. This project involved demolishing parts of the East Wing to create a massive 20,000-square-foot ballroom, specifically designed to host the world's most elite diplomats and dignitaries. The ballroom is nothing short of opulence, featuring imported marble, gold leaf finishes, and grandiose design elements that make it a true symbol of power and prestige. The lavish materials and intricate detailing create a space that's not only functional, but an embodiment of the luxury and elegance associated with political authority. The scale of this renovation is truly unmatched, combining historical preservation with modern luxury. With such an iconic structure as the White House, the renovation wasn't just about adding a large event space. It's about creating a venue for international diplomacy, a place that reflects the prestige and importance of the United States. The addition of marble and gold leaf finishes highlights the country's tradition of grandeur and political power, making this ballroom a symbol of elegance. Not only does this new ballroom enhance the White House's ability to host global leaders, but also ensures the White House can serve as a modern meeting space for the 21st century. Every detail in the design reflects the history and legacy of the nation, making this renovation more than just about space. It's about honoring tradition while providing a functional, beautiful environment for the future of American diplomacy. 3. Drake's The Embassy Toronto Overhaul. Drake's Toronto mansion, also known as the Embassy, has undergone a continuous and ongoing renovation, pushing its value up to around $100 million. The estate is truly a masterpiece, with details like a 20,000-piece Swarovski crystal chandelier and a 4,000-pound black marble bathtub, showcasing the extravagant luxury that fills every corner. These elements are just a glimpse into the lavish world that Drake has built, where no expense is spared to create a home that's a true reflection of his success. But what truly makes Drake's home unique isn't just the size or the design, it's the personalization and attention to detail. Every room has been carefully crafted to suit Drake's taste and vision, with luxurious features and a focus on comfort. The latest updates to the mansion focus heavily on advanced security suites, ensuring complete privacy, a key element for someone with Drake's level of fame. The mansion has been outfitted with state-of-the-art technology, making it safe and secure, allowing Drake to relax and live freely without worrying about his personal safety. The estate also includes dedicated spaces for an expanding collection of cultural memorabilia. These specialized artifact rooms are designed to house Drake's treasures, including jewelry, art, and personal items, showcasing his passion for culture and artistic expression. Beyond its impressive size and security, the mansion also serves as a creative hub, where Drake can relax, entertain, and produce music in an environment that nurtures his creativity. The ongoing renovations reflect Drake's commitment to turning this mansion into not just a house, but a lifestyle. The mansion blends luxury, privacy, and art in a way that truly matches the star power and vision Drake has for his personal space. It's the perfect setting for a world-class artist and entrepreneur to thrive. 4. Robbie Williams' Miami Waterfront Gut Reno. Next on the list is Robbie Williams' Miami Waterfront Estate, which underwent an incredible $20 million renovation. Originally purchased for $40 million, this estate has undergone a complete gut renovation that transformed it into a modern luxury home with all the amenities a star like Williams could want. With a massive 2,000 square foot guest pavilion, this home now includes a state-of-the-art recording studio, making a perfect place for both relaxation and creativity. This waterfront estate not only boasts luxury living, but also integrates technology and comfort in a way that suits Williams' lifestyle. The renovation more than doubled the property's value, showcasing potential of a well-thought-out home transformation. The addition of the recording studio means that Williams can now create music in an environment that's as much about art as it is about luxury. The property's stunning views of the Miami waterfront add a level of peace and serenity, making it the ideal retreat for Williams to unwind. This $20 million renovation shows that even with significant wealth, there's always room for improvement and personalization. For Williams, this renovation was more than just about luxury. It was about creating a personal sanctuary that reflects both his musical genius and his vision for living well. 5. Adam Levine and Bahati Prinsloo's Montecito Oakview Restoration. At number 5, we have Adam Levine and Bahati Prinsloo's Montecito Oakview Restoration. Originally a Georgian-style estate, Oakview has undergone a top-to-bottom restoration with an $8 million investment, transforming the home into a blend of luxury, comfort, and eco-conscious design. The estate spans a massive 13,300 square feet, originally built for actor Rob Lowe, and has been revamped by the Clements design team to match Levine and Prinsloo's vision for a modern yet timeless family home. The property now features a professional-grade catering kitchen, specialized wellness retreat, and a luxury chicken coop, reflecting the couple's commitment to sustainable living while keeping a touch of luxury. This blend of green living and luxury sets the estate apart, ensuring it's not only stylish but environmentally friendly. The project was designed to create a seamless living space for the couple to relax, entertain, and raise their family in style. For Levine and Prinsloo, the renovation was a way to merge modern amenities with California's natural beauty. Their commitment to sustainability is evident in the carefully curated outdoor spaces that promote a harmonious relationship with nature. The Montecito estate offers a private, tranquil retreat with all the modern luxuries, making it the perfect home for the couple to enjoy family time and entertain guests. This restoration proves that with a little vision, a home can be both a luxury haven and an eco-conscious sanctuary. And there you have it. Top 5 multi-million-dollar home renovations that shocked the world in 2026. These properties aren't just about luxury. They're a testament to the vision, style, and creativity of the world's most successful individuals. From Zuckerberg's secure Koa Ranch to Drake's Embassy, each renovation represents more than just an upgrade. It's a legacy, a personal sanctuary, and a statement of success. Which of these jaw-dropping renovations blew you away the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the most luxurious homes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content on celebrity homes and luxury living. See you in the next video, where we continue to explore the world of extreme luxury.